And welcome to Forex Business Hub, and in this particular video you're going to share our gold next week movement, that means fundamental movement or fundamental analysis. Okay, as you know that gold is always connected with USD, that's why we have to analyze USD before we want to start analyzing the gold news market. Okay, so we have that's why I write here XAUSD news. That means we have to focus particular area on USD news. Okay, and there is two type of news comes with market. That means two type of news can impact on market. One of them is positive news, second of them is negative news. Okay, that means positive news means positive data, that means plus value. Negative news means negative data, that means minus value. Okay, if news come with positive data like green 0.5%, green 245k, indicates sell for gold. Okay, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive data gold sell, why for negative data gold buy? So I will explain that later. And for negative news, if data come with negative value like red 0.5% or red 245k, indicates buy for gold or XAUSD. Okay, the sum of these two notes is for positive data we will sell gold, for negative data we will buy gold. Okay, and let's check why we buy or sell gold for positive or negative data. Okay, so as you can see there, there is image, or there is few pyramids over here, so we have to keep our eye, or you have to keep your concern on that. So suppose for current market, suppose one gold is equal to $2500. Okay, and as you can see there, the size of pyramid is same because there is one gold, there is 2500 USD. Okay, and we have to keep our mind two things. Number one, gold value is always fixed, that means constant, and number two is USD value is changeable, that means that is variable. Okay, if USD value changeable and gold value is fixed, that means one gold is always one gold beginning of the world, but USD value can up or down, that means currency value can be up or down. Okay, or positive or negative. Okay, so that's why we have to keep our concern on currency news, especially gold is more or less connected with USD, so we have to keep our concern on USD. Okay, and as I said before, if news data come with red 5% or red 245k or minus 245k, that means US negative, that means USD, that means US dollar lose is its 5% strength, that means 5% strength. So if US that 2500 lose its 5%, it will be smaller than previous one, so there is 5% less value, and that means gold, suppose this is previous gold and this is current USD. Okay, USD value, so gold as usual always constant, and USD value minus 5% decreased. Okay, that's why in this time, that means in this time, in news time, gold value is bigger than USD, that means buy for gold. Okay, same theory over here, and if there is plus 5% with previous 2500, that means 2500 plus 5% here, so that will be bigger than previous one, so USD value will decrease. That means one of them increase or decrease, the opposite one happened with opposite one. Okay, that means here is gold is smaller than USD, that's why there is sell for gold. Okay, for positive value. Hopefully you understand about the concern, about the thing, about all process, why we sell for positive value, why we buy for negative value. Okay, so let's get back into down, that means let's get back into the current market or market chart, so we may see the market news. That means I already take a screenshot from forexfactory.com, and as you can see there, we have Monday NZD news, that means New Zealand dollar and Chinese yuan. We don't need that if we especially want to trade on gold. That means Monday's market may be moving up sideways because of there is no major news, and in Tuesday we have one non-major news. That means maybe there is a wrong time. You may go forexfactory.com and select your time zone and you can see that. Okay, maybe there is wrong time in my time zone. Okay, so as you can see there, if this news data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, let me make it little bit thinner than before. Okay, so in Wednesday we have 1 and 2 time news. So same theory over here. Here is core PPI, CPI, MM, and CPI YY. There is 3 important news. So we have to keep our concern on Wednesday. Just 3 news especially. Okay, and Thursday we have 3 news same as that, and we have especially unemployment claim. This is very, very important news, guys. You have to keep your concern also on this. And in Friday we have 1 time news, Fed chair postal specs, and 2 time news, core retail sales, and another one is retail sales. So you have to keep your concern on that kind of news. The theory is same. If data come with positive value, okay, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, as you know that there was US election on 5th November 2024, and right now we have to keep our concern on US election. Okay, because there is a new president come. Okay, president come in the White House, will come in White House. So we have to keep our concern on Donald Trump, what he says or what his relation between all over the world. Okay, and there is another concern is Middle East war. That means Iraq, Palestine, and Israel war. Okay, you have to keep your concern on that also, and you have to keep your concern number 3 is Russia Ukraine war. Okay, this is number 2, this is number 1, and this one also. So you have to keep your concern on that. If there is something happen on Middle East, that means if Iran attack on Israel, gold value will increase immediately. That is the thing. If Russia Ukraine war increase noticeable, that means a big attack on Russia or Ukraine, gold will go up. Or if US new president tell something about China or Russia, Ukraine, or Israel or Iran, gold market can be shaky. Okay, you have to keep your concern on that. We will also always updating our each and every fundamental data on our free Telegram channel. You may join our Telegram channel, channel link in the video description. And if you have especially any more query, you can join our Telegram channel and you can ask anything or admin on free. Okay, so that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.